The factory customizers have done it once again. Racing Red Tex Dinoco, not Dex. Dex is a completely different character to Tex, as we can see by the two different expressions, and the mold is also slightly different as well. We will compare Tex Dinoco to the regular version that made by Mattel, and a few other cars as well in this video. But yeah, this is a fake factory custom from AliExpress, eBay, however you like to see it, made in China, as we can see by the base. There is no date stamp whatsoever, so this is a complete and utter fake, nothing to indicate it is official diecast. But you know, even for something like £3 or $8 US, pretty much the same price as a car's diecast on the pegs. You can't go wrong with something like this. I mean, it looks absolutely awesome. Take regular Dex here. Yeah, he looks astonishingly, he looks so much different compared to the official release. Even the Thailand variant as well, which I do have here, just looks incredible. So yeah, we're going to take a close look at him now. Of course, this diecast wasn't actually appeared in any movie. This is sort of like a special edition for the factory customizers that they come out with every year. They've been making different McQueens, the factory custom using racing tractor, just a bunch of new ones as well, like the Thomasville Cruise, copying some of the Tomica releases, just some awesome stuff. But yeah, that's enough of this Racing Red, you know, Tex Dinoco. Let's take a close look at it now. So, yep, he's got bull horns there, usual expression, very nice stuff. The red there, which looks pretty cool. We got the top, instead of it being a nice like dark maroon, it's more like a dark red with like a gold top as well, which is pretty nice as well, which we can see there. There is the back. We can see just a window. We've got the license plate, which does read Dinoco, as we can see, Dinoco, which is exactly the same for Tex, or Dex I should say. This video is going to get really confusing, but yeah, we can see the license plate is exactly the same. Some awesome stuff. There is the other side. Pretty cool. We've got the nice rims there. And like I said, here is a look at the base. So yeah, very nice stuff. So, gonna quickly compare him to Dex himself now, so you can see the differences. Completely different mould, even though they do look the same. Got the expression difference down here, which was seen in Cars Toons Heavy Metal Mater. The rims are completely different colours, as we can see here. He's got gold rims, whereas the regular Tex obviously has silver rims. So you could tell that they copied the Tex, which is nice. And like I said already, the same license plate. The top, the cow colour. That's what I like to call it, the cow colour, because it is black and white. As you can see here, compared to this red and gold. The other side of the two die-casts. Pretty cool. And Dex is an official release from 2010. We can see here, Mattel Inc. Very nice stuff. Pretty cool. And here is Tex Dinoco himself. And this is what the base should look like. This is a 2008 release. Or 2009. Because it should have Cadillac on the bottom. Made in China. All of that bunch of legal information. See the roof there does have brown and white. Whereas this one is completely red and gold. I absolutely love that. License plate still reads Dinoco. Dinoco. Yep. Obviously the license plate on the Chinese factory custom is a bit clearer and bigger, which is a bonus. Yep. For those interested, this is the Thailand release of Tex Dinoco. Released in Thailand, as you can see by the base. Being re-released in 2025 with Bling Bling Lightning McQueen in a 2-pack. Very nice stuff. Now, I can sort of see why the factory customizers did this, because they recently came out with a Chris Roman, the Cars 3 Next Gen Combustor factory custom, which looks like his Disney Store counterpart, which I guess you could say is the same for this Dex right here, because on the roof it is kind of like a dark yellow, which is almost gold. The rims obviously are completely different. Yet this is the Disney Store version. Dinoco on the license plate. A lot clearer, same as this one. Pretty cool. So yeah, obviously that would have been in the 3-pack with Heavy Metal Mater and Lightning McQueen that the Disney Store recently reissued in around like the 2021 time. And we got some other racing reds in the background here. Sally, Jackson Storm, Cruz Ramirez. She looks absolutely epic. Francesco Bologna, Lightning McQueen. This would be an awesome screenshot right here. Pretty awesome stuff. So yeah, comment down below, which is your favourite Racing Red diecast so far? It's a bit of a tricky one. I mean, as an official release, it's Mater, which I didn't bring out, by the way, because he's up high and I can't get to high places at the moment in my room due to circumstances. But yeah, Mater's pretty cool, Cruz is cool. I really do like Tex Dinoco. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Merry Christmas if I don't, make another review between now and after Christmas. But until then, peace everybody.